the regular mathematics faculty could not teach because of being sick. As a stop-gap arrangement, different visiting faculty taught different topics on 4 different days in a week. The scheduled time for the class was 7 a.m. with the maximum permissible delay of 20 minutes. The classes started on different times on different days. The conditions given: Mr. Singh did not teach on Thursday. Calculus class was taught in the class that started at 7:20 a.m. Mr. Chatterjee took the class on Wednesday, but he did not teach probability. The class on Monday started at 7 a.m. but Mr. Singh did not teach it. Mr. Datta did not teach ratios and proportion. Mr. Banerjee, who did not teach set theory, taught a class that started 5 minutes later than the class featuring a teacher who taught probability. The teacher in Friday's class taught set theory. Wednesday's class did not start at 7 a.m. No classes started at the same time. Pause the video, take 5 minutes time, try to solve yourself. If you don't find the answer using your approach, then follow my method. I'll tell you how to find out the answer for these kind of questions in seconds. The reason is, if you use some standard formats of solving these kind of questions, you can get the answer easily. I'll tell you what the standard format. Okay, now draw the table like this. It is given the day, time, faculty and subject. The days are Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The class on Monday started at 7 a.m. So we can fill this one 7 a.m. Mr. Chatterjee took the class on Wednesday. So the name of the faculty is Chatterjee. Okay, fine. Next, Friday class taught set theory. So the Friday class set theory. Okay. Other than that, can you fill any one of the informations in this table? No. The easiest information next we are going to fill is the faculty for the day. Now we fix the faculty for Wednesday, right? Okay. Monday, Thursday and Friday. 3 days are left. So we'll search for the information. Mr. Singh did not teach Thursday. So Singh did not teach on Thursday. Fine. Next is given. So Mr. Singh did not teach on Thursday. Fine. That's over. Next, one more information. The class on Monday started at 7 a.m. but Mr. Singh did not teach on Monday. Mr. Singh did not teach on Monday as well as Thursday. So the Mr. Singh should be on Friday. Have you understood? Yes, this is one of the informations easy to fill. Actually, the directions given everything in the form of negative. That means Mr. Singh did not teach on Thursday, like that. Then Datta did not teach ratios proportion. So you need to do the same way which is given in the question. Here, the faculty on Monday and Thursday we need to find out. Is it easy? Be careful, only 2 faculties are left out. You need to read the information about them. Mr. Datta did not teach ratios and proportion. Is it sufficient to fill the faculty on Monday or Thursday? No. Okay, now read about Mr. Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee, who did not teach set theory, taught a class that started 5 minutes later than the class featuring the teacher who taught probability. Simple understanding. Mr. Banerjee took the class 5 minutes after the probability class. Okay. Now read the direction. The scheduled time for the class was 7 a.m. with the maximum permissible delay of 20 minutes. The first class started at 7 a.m. From this information, Mr. Banerjee did not take the class at 7 a.m. So we understood the faculty on Monday is not Banerjee. Okay, so we can fill here directly. The name of the faculty should be Datta. Only 2 faculties are left out. Banerjee did not take the class at 7 a.m. So the remaining 1 faculty is left out. That is Mr. Datta. The name of the faculty for Thursday, that's very simple, Banerjee. Which one you have planned to fill, time or subject? It's a super reasoning question. Once you complete this, you can find out answer for the remaining questions within 20 seconds. Only the important is filling the data for Monday and Thursday. Remaining this, I'll tell you easiest way of solving this question. You can complete the question in 20 seconds. You don't believe, right? I'll prove it. What's the method? Now we are going to fill subjects for the days. See, subjects are, one is set theory, the next one is calculus, the next one is ratios and proportion, the last one is probability. Okay, now I'll tell you the reversed approach of solving this question. Day is Monday, immediately you can eliminate set theory. The reason is Friday class start set theory, so you can eliminate using the day. Next, take time. Time is 7 o'clock. Calculus was taught in the class that started at 7:20 a.m. Using this information, you can eliminate calculus. Next, faculty Datta. Mr. Datta did not teach ratios and proportion. You can eliminate this ratios and proportion. The subject will be probability. That's a very important. Using the day, you can eliminate set theory. Using the time, you can eliminate calculus. Using the faculty, you can eliminate ratios and proportion. The left out is probability. Subject on Monday is probability. Next, the left out is Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, now we know the subject on Monday is probability. The probability class 7 o'clock. That means Banerjee class should be at 7:05. What are the subjects left out? Calculus and ratios and proportion. Two subjects are left out. The time is 7:05, so you can eliminate calculus. The reason is calculus class at 7:20. The left out is ratios and proportion. Next, only one subject left out, that is calculus. Calculus will be on Wednesday. Now, can you fill the time for Wednesday? Yes, calculus class started at 7:20 a.m. So here the time should be 7:20 a.m. Next, only one data is missed out, Friday timing. Wednesday's class did not start at 7:10 a.m. That means one of the class started at 7:10 a.m. That should be on Friday. So everything filled. Have you understood? Now we are going to discuss questions. The first question, the class on Wednesday started at. Now go through the direction. Okay, the class Wednesday started at 7:20 a.m. The subject is calculus. So answer for this question is 7:20 a.m. and the topic was calculus. The answer choice B. Next one, the option which gives the correct teacher subject combination. Mr. Chatterjee, ratios and proportion. Go through once. Mr. Chatterjee, ratios and proportion. No. First option can be eliminated. Mr. Banerjee, calculus. No, that's ratios and proportion. You can eliminate the answer choice B. Mr. Chatterjee, set theory. Read it. No, Mr. Chatterjee is calculus. So you can eliminate this. So the answer is Mr. Singh, set theory. Third question, the probability was taught by Mr. Datta on Monday, Mr. Datta on Thursday, Mr. Singh on Wednesday, Mr. Singh on Monday. Now go through only, just you need to take only two faculty members, Datta and Singh. Singh on Friday, so you can eliminate these two answer choices. The left out is Datta on Monday or Datta on Thursday. And this one, Datta on Monday is correct option. The answer is Datta on Monday. You can eliminate B option. The option which gives a possible correct class time weekday combination is? First one, Wednesday 7:10 a.m., Thursday 7:20, Friday 7:05. Like this, 3 options are given. So go through the directions again. Wednesday 7:20 a.m., right? So Wednesday, it is given everything Wednesday. So you can eliminate the answer choice A and answer choice C. Wednesday 7:20 a.m., Wednesday 7:20 a.m. Only 2 options left out. Next, Thursday timings we need to check. Thursday timing is 7:05. So in this answer choice, this only satisfies. So the answer choice D for this question.